2023, 4th of July weekend, the annual LYC Sunfish Regatta. Here we go. It ain't duck season out here. You can limit out real quick. But I don't really care for duck that much. I like chicken. Now, something has changed on Sea Dock since the last time I took a video out here. Well, they're slowly encroaching all the way to the clubhouse. These power boats are taking over Sea Dock. This used to be just strictly a sailboat dock, and now, as you can see, it's strictly a power boater dock with a few sailboats at the end. There's my boat over there, one with the big fat mast on the right. That's on G-Dock. Welcome to the annual LYC 2023 4th of July weekend Sunfish Regatta. It's going to be a blast.
Good morning, everybody.
Morning. Morning.
Welcome to the 2023 Sunfish Summer Nationals Independence Day Regatta.
Thanks for inviting us.
You're welcome. We have 8 racers today. Mike, Matthew, Xavier, Ty, Larry, TJ, Kenny, me. We are going to be racing the Sunfish sailboat. The wind currently appears to be out of the west. It's very strange. So no telling what's going to happen there. Is it shift or is it going to stay that way, or do you know?
From what I saw, there's a little front coming through.
Okay.
Let's just stay that way until about 4 o'clock.
Okay. We might be off the water by then. Okay, so I'm going to put out a red ball up in that cove. That's going to be our leeward mark. The no weight buoy up here will be our windward mark. The start line will be here with a small red ball. From the ball to this post is the start line. We're doing a 3-minute start for the clock. And we can do a run through if anybody needs it.
Do we want to start this way since the wind's from here?
Yes. We will be starting in that direction. Let's see. Penalties. It's a 360-degree turn penalty for any kind of protest or hitting a mark. If you're over the line early, you have to go around the end of the. You have to go around the starting buoy to restart.
Or around the dock.
Or you can go around the dock. Let's see. What else? What am I missing, Larry?
The centerboard deal.
I don't think we need to worry about that today. Centerboards are.
You're missing one thing. You have to tell what it's a W2 or W1.
It's a windward leeward course, so it's a W2.
Keep on your toes.
Right. And what else? Hot dogs are $1. I'm going to try an experiment. I'm going to put some little mini corn dogs in there. Those are free. Let's see if it works.
I'm a little confused. What is your decision about the centerboard?
Whatever you want to.
Centerboards are raised, lower, whatever you want. Just don't lose it.
Okay.
What else? So, for you guys, for all you guys, we rotate boats. So the first race is going to be Ty's in boat 1, Matthew, you're in boat 2, and Xavier, you're in boat 3. Okay? In race 2, Larry's in boat 1, TJ is in boat 2, Kenny's in boat 3. And we rotate every race. And you'll end up sailing every boat, and you'll end up sailing against every person.
How'd you come up with that formula?
With 8 people.
Don't look at me.
Are we doing all 4 boats?
Now we're just going to use 3.
Okay.
You'd have to have a
The fourth boat is so that Matthew can shadow Xavier.
Okay.
When Matthew's not racing, and Xavier is. So Matthew will be on the course following Xavier just to make sure he is okay. Right?
I might just stay here and watch.
Okay.
But if I need help, he'll sponsor.
Got it.
Although we're in 2 of the same races, so it's only one race that we can.
Oh, well, that's kind of perfect. How'd that happen? That's not supposed to happen. Any questions? Okay. We'll get going a little ahead of schedule. I just have to sail out and put the marks out, and then we can get going.
Sound like a plan. Upgrade. Nope. Probably some of the go fast tricks that Peter learned at Rush Creek last year. Now we're going to have an upwind start, which is going to be going west for a change. We've got a starting gate over there, and the three racers are getting ready to start.
Miles around to go to covered.
Yeah, and they're kind of putting like a mix master in there, right off Dal Rock Road. And they're off for the start of the 2023 LYC Sunfish Regatta, 4th of July weekend. The race course is that way, guys.
Some are off more than others.
Uh-oh. Covering.
Yeah, so what's your check that out.
30 seconds. Get that boat back up.
Been there, done that.
Who is that out there?
Ty.
Oh.
He's got it.
Oh, yeah.
That's a start. All clear.
Look like the main sheet's kind of wrapped up, or the main. Piece of cake.
I resembled that capsize before.
Oh, I have too.
I know what that looks like.
I know how that feels.
I remember watching the boat, and it was tilting and tilting and tilting, and I just kept watching it instead of doing anything about it.
You gotta get your ass out on the high side.
No, I needed to let it out, right?
Oh yeah, I was
And I
letting it out constantly because those puffs are overpowering.
Yeah.
That's not fair.
I think it is fair.
Okay.
Capsize at the start.
That's not very sportsmanlike, Commodore. That's right. I make my decisions and I stick with them.
That's right. Thank you, Kenny.
This damn boat's full of water.
Yeah, you bail it out. The bailer might work in this wind.
It does. I used it in the field today.
A man's got to know his limitations, right? Uh-huh.
Good job, Xavier.
What is that, 1 minute?
1 minute.
Plenty of time.
Plenty of time for a professional like Peter.
Good call there. You can't handle it, get out of there. Let Peter turtle it. Peter heard me.
30 seconds.
Uh-oh, foul. Larry didn't bring his protest flag. Oh, man.
Over early. But one over early. Peter.
Peter.
Over early. That was the only one over early.
Uh-huh.
Stand, good working order. Did you see the other dog over there? The dog with a matching life jacket.
Your substitute did a pretty good job.
And he came from behind.
Well, it takes a minute to get out there, right?
Yep.
Mike, you're in boat 2. Ty, you're in boat 3.
I'm back in.
Yep.
So who's the next heat?
I think he is. Correct that. Yep. Favorite boat. Ty over early? Right?
Yep.
I think so.
3 was over.
Ty, you're over early? Yep.
Who else in this? Mikey and
TJ and
you?
Ty.
Alright. Well, Ty, yeah.
They
Get
were
Ty
both
right this
over
time.
early?
No, he's fine now. He went around it. Does Mike know we started?
Yeah.
And then he got
Somebody get it.
Right now we're on a 15-minute postponement. No. Why'd you go down in there? I thought you knew better than that. Oh. Well, you know, that takes a skilled sailor to go down there and come back.
This time they were sailing.
You sure?
Okay. Well, let me do another warble.
Keep going, buddy.
Got this. That old man dead.
Tiger. I know, he's starting to bow out. Ah, come on. Turn it, Xavier. Come on.
Larry's not gonna make the mark.
There you go, you're almost there, almost.
Well, Larry'd have
You
tacked
got
in
it,
to
You
him.
got it. You got it.
That's good, Larry. Oh, good steering, Larry.
He seems to just be able to go. Period.
Larry get it, or
I don't know who was second, third.
it looked like Larry.
No, these are all wet. The
Well,
ropes are wet. And so I'm leaving them out. Mike is gonna put them away tomorrow.
What do you mean put them away? Yeah, you're using them all, Mike. Put them away.
Oh yeah, how's it go first?
Okay, so we're gonna have.
Who's the guy coming out tomorrow?
So there's 3 kids that came out last weekend that the parents said, hey, can you guys sign off on their merit badges?
Oh, yeah?
So there's a couple of things they didn't get to do, but he's going
Oh,
to
okay.
do, I don't know, whatever it was, a knot and a capsizer.
Yeah.
And now for the results of the 2023 Lavon Yacht Club Memorial Day.
No.
Sunfish.
Memorial Day?
Independence Day.
You sound like Biden.
Yeah.
Independence Day. Sunfish Summer National Regatta. In third place, with 5 points, Ty Rose. Hey! Alright. And you win a high five.
Octopus?
This mug. Oh, there you go. I like it. There was a tie for first place with 4 points each. TJ and me. TJ won the tiebreaker because he beat me when we raced against each other. And so in first place is TJ. Second place, TJ, you have your choice of prizes. You can either have this ship in a bottle, black ship, black pearl, or this tote bag.
I better go with the tote bag. I'm not supposed to bring home any more costumes.
Congratulations.
That's a nice tote bag.
Peter will re-gift that.
Tote bag, if ever there was.
Peter will re-gift that.
Oh, absolutely.
This concludes the 2023 Lavon Yacht Club Independence Day Sunfish Summer Nationals.
Larry has
We have a question.
Who won second place? Do this presentation.
He did. He presented it to
I
himself.
didn't see no presentation.
The Commodore ought to hand it to him.
And in second place, Peter Doncaster.
Yay!
Yay!
Got a little video too.
I protest.
The whole box,
Wow. See, that's Nicholas.
Okay, did that come in last or next to last?
Right behind me.
You have paper. So,
Oh, we need to say that.
Tie for 7. No,
Mike, you had 7 points.
no, but I'm now 8 points.
No. Kenny had 7 points. Larry had 7 points. Xavier had 7 points, even with his DNS. And Matthew had 8
Holy
points.
crap, you would have been, he hadn't got a DNS. would he?
Yeah, he would
So we have a 4-way tie for 4th place.
Yeah. In worst case scenario, he would have had a 6.